Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data processing with Apache Spark, full guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will explore how to verify data processing with Apache Spark. Begin by setting up your Apache Spark environment. Ensure that you have Apache Spark installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Start the Spark shell by typing Spark shell. This will allow you to interact with Spark in a Scala environment. Next, load your dataset into Spark. You can do this using the spark.read method. Specify the format of your data, such as CSV, JSON, or Parquet. For example, if you are loading a CSV file, use spark.read.csv, path/to/your/file.csv. Once the data is loaded, it's important to inspect it. Use the show method to display the first few rows of your dataset. This will give you a quick overview of the data structure. After that, check the schema of your data. Use the print schema method to understand the data types of each column. Now that you are familiar with the dataset, you need to clean it for processing. Identify any missing or null values. You can use the filter or dropna methods to handle these values. Once your data is clean, it's time to perform some transformations. Use the select method to choose specific columns. You can also use with column to create new columns based on existing ones. After applying the transformations, validate the results. This can be done by using the count method to compare the number of records. You may also want to use aggregate functions to verify data integrity. For example, check the sum or average of specific columns to see if they match expectations. If you have any transformations that involve calculations, be sure to double-check these calculations. Run a few sample queries to ensure that your data processing logic is correct. As an additional verification step, consider writing the processed data to a temporary location. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.